for all of you who are on Facebook, and there are a lot, you just can't offer too many compliments. In other words, that appreciate, compliment, appreciate, compliment, appreciate, compliment, appreciate, compliment, appreciate, compliment. And you can create a virtual world out there in your Facebook reality that rivals this vortex of creation.
The internet, by the way, is the best physical manifestational representation of the law of attraction that has ever existed in all of humanity, because it represents in more tangible terms this vibration of attraction. And it's hard for people to really grasp that, because they think, well, wait a minute, Abraham, I logged on specifically to that site. There's a lot there for you to be drawn to. There's a lot there for you to be guided to. And law of attraction is still very instrumental in what you find, or in what finds you, even in a realm like that. So out of all of that is being born right now something that is more specific, that as you tuned to the more specific benefits that make you not want to leave the site, and have those more specific benefits active within you, then that's what you'll be drawn to. It's like it's a microcosm of the world at large. But there is one little caveat that you really must focus upon, and that is, you can't find the best of what's there when you are irritated at the worst of what's there. That's the thing that, in other words, and that's what makes people want to just pick up and leave an uncomfortable situation. When there's more that is unpleasant than is pleasant, there's a tendency to want to leave. You can just tune to the best of what you want. So if we were standing in your physical shoes, we would begin making a list of the benefits of that site, and keep only active within you the benefits of that.
The internet and Facebook are like anything else. There are aspects that you want and aspects that you don't want, and your vibrational frequency will begin to set the tone for what comes to you. It can be an interesting journey rather than an upsetting journey. When you're in alignment, anything that you see won't upset you. When you're out of alignment, so much of what you see will upset you. So it's a matter of how well connected with who you really are, you are. When you are in alignment and someone posts something and someone is in distress, in your alignment, you will be solution-oriented, not problem-oriented. The majority of the people who are chiming in are problem-oriented. In other words, when you see something that is unpleasant and you click like, in your chiming in, what you're doing is acknowledging that that's the vibrational frequency that I'm at too. Agreed. We are in a similar vibrational frequency. Well, if you're not in a similar vibrational frequency, you don't like, you yike. Yikes. There should be a like and a yikes.